All right. So, yes, this video is going to be about gold, but guys, there is a silver lining to it, and I will break it all down for you. Stay right there. All right, guys, welcome back. Once again, my name is Silver Britches, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about gold. Yes, gold. And yes, I am giddy because I did go pick up some gold. There's just something about the yellow metal. It's just intriguing. Man, it is beautiful stuff. And guys, please, if you do get a chance, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. It really helps out my channel and it goes a long way. And I really do appreciate all the support from you guys. All right, so gold. Why am I bullish on gold? Well, there's a whole lot of stuff happening right now in the world, and it is driving the hype, right? The hype. That's right. You need hype for something to move. Okay? We have that. A lot of people are looking at gold for what it truly is again. The safe harbor. That's right. The pinnacle, the top, the safe harbor in precious metals. Whenever everything else is going bad financially, people turn to gold. That's just the way it always has worked. It's the way it probably always will work. And gold is by far the most stable and better performing metal than all of them. That's right. I will put a chart up to show you because last year gold was in the 13s. And yes, we recently had a crash. It crashed down, right? Well, it's still higher. It's still running higher this year, right now. It's still running higher than it did last year. Where silver, as far as the paper market goes, I understand that, guys. So don't kill me in the comments. But yes, the paper price of silver has taken a nosedive. And that's one of the silver linings I want to get to. So be patient. So yes, the silver price has taken a nosedive. It's actually gone up so far. It is starting to show some signs of where it needs to be. But I am bullish on gold because of where I think it's going to go and of what has happened in the past. Now, I'm going to put up a slide for you guys to look. And it is courtesy from someone on Twitter. I will put them down in the description below so you can give them a follow. That way I honor the source from where I got it from. And it was a very eye-opening chart for me. It was something that I was just like, man, it just puts it into perspective as far as what I should be doing right now. And yes, I want to wait it out. I want to be cautious, but I think that the current market and what is happening as far as the miners being down, as far as the refiners being down, as far as the mints being shut down, it's only going to, the metals are only going to dry up even more, if you know what I mean. Now, luckily I was able to get this from my LCS. It's nothing huge, it's nothing fancy, it's nothing big like that, but it is something that I needed to get because of the way that I feel, what I think is going to be happening. And in this chart, guys, you will want to look at it. History does repeat itself, and it's repeating itself, and this chart will show you. All right, let's see what I got today. All right. Now, the safest way to buy gold, I would suggest that you guys, now this is not slabbed, but the safest way to do it is to buy it in a slab. That way you know exactly what you have. But if you do want to make a purchase, right? Let's say that you do want to make a purchase, but you don't want to pay for the slab. I get that. I understand that. I'm the same way. I don't want to make any other country or company, richer than what they already are. You know what I mean? I'm good on that. So whenever you do get something, I highly advise you to get a scale. right? A scale to weigh it. You know, whether it's for your silver, whether it's for your gold, platinum, whatever. If you don't buy it graded, then you need to at least verify it with a scale or with a machine, or have it x-rayed, whatever. But you just need to verify it for your own stack, because you don't want fake stuff in your stack, especially gold. All right, so what did I pick up? Today I picked up a 1/2 ounce American Gold Eagle. Now, the gold price is up, right? It's high right now. And that's why I chose to go with the 1/2 ounce, because it's not as much of an investment, right? So if gold does drop down again, which it could, it very well could, but the premiums on it right now is what's really going to hold its value. So I was kind of meeting in the middle there, so that's why I went with the 1/2 ounce. So here, let's go ahead and weigh it, and it should weigh 16.996 grams. All right. So it should contain a 1/2 ounce, a 1/2 troy ounce of gold in there. And that's right on par. So I probably have maybe a little bit more silver content or copper content in there. So it should be a 1/2 ounce of 22 karat gold in there. Now give that a comparison to the 1/2 ounce Gold Eagle, like this one, or that 1 ounce Gold Eagle, like this one right here. This one should weigh, I want to say it's 33 grams, 33. Yeah. So that is right where it needs to be. It's a little higher also. Now the Gold Buffalo, okay. The Gold Buffalo is 24 karat gold. So it's pure gold, right? And it does have some silver in there as well. So yeah, there's another little silver lining right there. So this one, it should weigh a troy ounce. So it should be 31.10 grams, okay? So let's go ahead and weigh this. See what this weighs out at. Okay, so yeah, right on there. So you got probably just a fraction more of some silver in there, or maybe my scale's off just a little bit. So yeah, that's right on par with where it needs to be. So yes, that is good. That is what I'm looking for. And guys, if you are, worried about making an investment in gold, you can always go fractional. That way you can minimize your risk. But yes, there are other premiums that go along with that. But it is a little bit, not much of a risk as far as that goes. So it's a way to minimize your risk a little bit. So yeah, a lot of people advise not to get fractionals, but I don't see a problem with it, because in my opinion, as long as you're putting gold in your stack, that's the main thing, guys. Putting a little bit of gold in your stack is the most important thing. Now, another thing that I picked up today to go with the 1/2 ounce was some vintage pieces, and I've been looking for these all over the place. And he just surprised me with them, and it was exactly what I was looking for. So I am extremely happy to get them, because I've been looking on Instagram and everywhere else, and it was actually cheaper than where I could find them. And they are vintage A-Mark bars. Now, the silver lining that I was talking about in the beginning of the video is whenever gold starts its run, okay, and history does have a way of repeating itself. Let's see if that changed. Okay, yeah. So that's right on par. 31.1 grams is what it should be. One troy ounce. So the silver lining that I was talking about at the beginning of the video, what I mean by that is history is repeating itself, just like in the past. Okay? If you go back to that chart that I put in there, all right on the money on that one. So I guess I got just a little bit more in there. So I guess that means I got a little bit more in my gold too. All right, so the chart, let me get back to the chart. Silver always follows gold up the ladder whenever the crisis happens. Whenever that that event, that what do you call it? The recession, okay? Whenever that takes place, that's when silver follows gold. Now, there is also another silver lining to it. Yes, the paper price is low. I understand that. I get it. I've been inundated with that in my comments, and I understand that. I really do. But you have to remember, guys, a lot of places go off of the spot price. Whether it's right or wrong, I understand that. Now, in the secondary market, if you look at what they're selling for, the premiums, what they're selling for, the 2020 Silver Eagle, the one that I tell you not to buy, is going for anywhere between $22 and $27 per ounce. Now, if you have a lot of those, and this is something that you should consider, I would consider cashing out some of your silver in for gold. And the reason why I say that is because with those ratios, with those premiums right now, the GSR, whether you believe it or not, okay, whether that's fictional to you or is irrelevant or whatever, but if you sell it outright somewhere, not to a coin store or to the big bullion dealers, but if you sell it privately, you will get that GSR. You will get that 70s GSR, and that is a great range to start thinking about selling your silver and exchanging it for gold. That's my silver lining for this video, guys, because I know a lot of people, they like to choose sides. Well, you need to be on the gold side or you need to be on the silver side. Guys, to me, I am not on any side. I'm trying to get my stack 50-50, and doing it this way will help you. So if you could take advantage of selling some of your silver and exchanging it for gold, I don't see a problem with it. And that's going to do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you leave a comment down below and tell me your thoughts. Tell me your opinions. I don't mind listening to them. I love talking to you guys. That's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, be careful, be courteous, and keep grinding on your stack.